What's up guys? We are live. I'm going to teach you how to train shoulders properly with a nice light dumbbell. So what I've got here is 10 kilos dumbbells, and even better, I'm going to teach you how to train shoulders properly in under 10 minutes. So get ready, especially if you have delts day tomorrow, because I'm going to be dropping some knowledge bombs in here, and I hope you guys do benefit from this. Alright. So when we start off with delts, it's great to get a nice warm up in. However, what we're going to be doing here is we're going to start off with a nice compound movement, our shoulder press. Okay. Now we've got 10 kilos. Like I said, nice and lightweight. We are at home. How are we going to increase the tension? Okay. With a compound movement like that, make sure we're bracing our core. We're going to start off with some nice controlled movements. So we're going to come up with a 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Still control it down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're going to do one more. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now this phase is called the concentric phase. So we've got a shoulder press. For this one, you can do about 8 to 10 reps of this. And the reason I love starting with this movement and the concentric phase is because this is our activation phase. So it gets us ready for the rest of our movement. So you can do this for 8 to 10 reps, about 4 sets as well. And it's a great starter when hitting delts. Okay, you guys are going to smash this. Let me know in the comments below as well what you guys think when you try these. And also with our rest breaks, we're gonna try and keep it minimal. So we're gonna go about 30 to 40 seconds max. We are training with lighter weights. We want to keep that tension on. So we are using something called time under tension training. So now that we've warmed up our deltoids, we've got our deltoids kicking. Now it's time to separate them. Okay, we've got our front, we've got our medialis, and we've got our lateral. So front, middle, and lateral head. Front, middle, and back. In short. So let's start off with our front deltoids, okay? We're gonna create a triangle. So we're gonna keep on the seat because I'm a bit lazy and I don't wanna walk too much because the cardio is gonna kill my gains and we don't want any of that. So we're gonna come into a triangular motion and we're gonna do 12 reps of this. So this is my third, fourth, keep that control, fifth, sixth, seventh, and so on and so forth. Now, why do I actually have a triangular motion? When I point my arm this way, I actually pop my front delt out. So this is also something you guys can do, feel the muscle and actually ensure it's working, okay? Before you actually do this exercise. It's a reason for every single exercise I do. I don't just tell you, hey guys, go do this, okay? So that triangular motion is actually going to help pop my front delt out and it helps me with activation of my deltoids. Again, something you can do for 4 to 5 sets and make it nice, easy, simple, and sweet. We've hit our front delt. Now let's hit our medial delt, the side delts, the ones that people want to get so they can walk around like that, What we're gonna do now is we're gonna do some shoulder decompression. So instead of keeping our traps out, which is one of the biggest flaws that people make when they're trying to do a lateral raise, they try and keep their traps out so much and actually affects you. You end up using more of your traps and we don't want that. Okay? What we want to do is actually relax our delts. Okay? Then, this is very important. Remember the big man walk. You guys that pretend you have, invisible lats and walk around like that. This is actually good for something, at least. So, you can use this for something. Get your lats activated. Keep your chest up. Relax your shoulders. And when you guys notice, your shoulders are activated, your traps actually go flatter. So what we do is we actually relax in our traps so we can focus on the deltoids. We can work on these big deltoids. So it is exactly the same form and technique. The big man walk and bring it up. Bring it up. And you're gonna actually find this is actually a lot more difficult sometimes than your standard lateral raise. With this one, you can aim for 10 to 12 reps. And the good thing about this, again, like I said, is you don't need any crazy heavy weight to get this kicking. Alright, and last but not the least, we're gonna hit the back of our deltoids, our rear deltoids. What we're gonna do is lean over with our rear deltoids, and we're gonna do a reverse fly. So, pull them back. Our rear delts are actually behind us, which actually means that it's harder for us to actually target them because we can't see them. So, got my little trick. I've got a side mirror so I can actually see my deltoids. It helps me with targeting. However, if you don't have the luxury of a side mirror, that's entirely fine. You don't need that. You're actually going to try and connect your mind to muscle. So first of all, find your rear deltoid. It's the back of your shoulders, okay? Now think about it. Think about it. If you can't feel it activate, tap the muscle, tap the muscle, tap the muscle. Woo! See? Start to feel the activation. Now once you feel that, jump on, reverse, 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 reverse. Now we're going to do this for 10 reps, okay? And one of the things I find is we don't do enough rear delts. So we're going to add a superset with this one. So we're going to do another exercise. And this is a behind the back rear delt raise where we just bring the weight backwards, okay? Nice, great exercise. And what you can do for this one is do 10 reps and do about 4 sets. So 10 reps of each and 4 sets. So I'm going to run you guys through just a quick recap. I'm going to go through all the exercises we did before. I'm going to do about 5 reps for each so you guys don't get bored. So shoulder press, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This video, make sure you hit that like button, tag someone and share this around as well so your mates can also get this knowledge. Don't be selfish, share it around. And yeah, if you have any questions, make sure you drop them in the comments below because I want to help you guys as much as possible. I want to thank you guys for watching, for supporting me. I appreciate you guys and I hope you stay tuned, turn on your post notifications so you don't miss a post. And keep keep asking more questions as well because I might keep making videos based on what you guys want. And that's what I'm here for. Hope you guys have a lovely rest of the day. The boy is out.